Lunching with Daylin, tasty and sweet, making different recipes every time we meet. Sometimes messy, sometimes neat. Tastes so good it'll knock you off your feet.
Alright. Hi and welcome to another episode, Let's You With Daylin, episode 8.
What are we making?
We're making pumpkin seeds.
Yay. Where's the pumpkin?
Right there.
Right here.
They didn't even hear me.
So we've already cut open our pumpkin and we've pulled out our seeds. We've washed our seeds and patted them dry. Now we're going to go ahead and add some olive oil. Come on, spread it out.
I'll do it. I can do it.
All right, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
There's nothing on there. Can we put some more? Can we put some more? Can we put some more?
So take this and go ahead. Use the napkin and move the oil around. Daylin, keep going.
I do it.
Okay. Keep going. Use your hand. Alright, keep going. Keep going.
No, keep going.
Keep going. It's okay.
No, it's not dirty. My hand. Gina, guess what? Look,
Too much.
I'm putting it in my hand.
Okay, now that we have oiled up our seeds and spread them out, now we're going to add kosher salt. Open your hands. Open your hands. Go ahead and spread it out. Spread it out. I said spread it out.
More, please.
No.
Put them in that. Don't do that one, Mama.
Go ahead and spread it out. Good job. Okay. We've already preheat the oven to 400. The seeds only need to stay in for about 5 to 7 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and place those in. And we will catch you guys back here in a few.
Yeah, and you can see all the seeds in the world you ever seen before.
Alright guys, so we have taken our seeds out of the oven. Now it's time to try them. You ready to try them?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna get one after you.
like it? All right, Daylin approves. Ready? Luncheon with Daylin, tasty and sweet. Making different recipes every time we meet. Sometimes messy, sometimes neat. Tastes so good, it'll knock you off your feet. All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Good girl. What are we making today?
Today, is Ema over there? Mine.
Okay. Rub them down in some olive oil.
Okay, we have to do that on camera. Thank you. We got
You
it.
have the olive oil?
Yes, I got
Where?
it. It's right there on the table. I got it. I got it. Don't worry. Go sit down.
Girl.
Yeah, go sit down.
Wait a minute. You better, hey, you're gonna be stuck with me tomorrow. You better watch it. You might be in here hanging outside something.
Hey, you little silly
You
goose.
be hanging outside.
Little silly goose.
Yeah, okay.
And Gma, make sure you don't get in my video.
Yes, they shall.
My name's not Shell.
Your mouth is.
Well, don't feel bad. She told me, she said, police said this is my video. Okay.
Can we put
All
some
right.
more
That's enough.
alcohol on there?
You want to just put them on here, put some on here, spread them out so you can be done faster? And we can cook the rest afterwards.
Mama, can I eat it?
Let's finish this video first, Daylin, please.
I'm
No.
not gonna eat it.
What you gonna do?
Hello.
Daylin, go ahead and
How
pour some of these
I
on
do.
there.
I need a spoon.
No, just use your hands and then
I
rub.
don't want to use my hand.
Oh my God,
I'll
girl.
get dirty and stuff.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.